Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Security in DevOps. Security in DevOps, also known as DevSecOps, integrates security practices within the DevOps process, ensuring that security is not an afterthought but a fundamental component from the inception of the development cycle. As organizations increasingly adopt cloud environments, the importance of advanced security in DevOps has never been more critical. DevSecOps strives to automate core security tasks by embedding security controls and processes into the DevOps workflow, thus enabling continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines to deliver secure software faster and more efficiently. DevSecOps fundamentally shifts the traditional security paradigm by embedding security considerations into every phase of the software development lifecycle. This approach ensures that security is incorporated from the planning phase through to deployment, reducing vulnerabilities and enhancing the overall security posture. The DevSecOps model promotes collaboration between development, operations, and security teams, fostering a culture of shared responsibility and continuous improvement. This approach not only mitigates the risk of security breaches, but also enhances the agility and speed of software delivery. One of the key practices in DevSecOps is the integration of automated security testing into the CICD pipeline. Automated security testing tools, such as static application security testing and dynamic application security testing, can identify vulnerabilities early in the development process. According to a 2020 report by Sonatype, organizations that leverage automated security tools within their DevOps processes can remediate vulnerabilities 90% faster than those relying on manual processes. This proactive approach allows developers to address security issues before they become critical, reducing the cost and complexity of remediation. Another critical aspect of DevSecOps is the use of infrastructure as code to manage and provision cloud environments. IAC allows for the consistent and repeatable deployment of infrastructure, ensuring that security configurations are applied uniformly across all environments. By treating infrastructure as code, organizations can apply the same rigorous testing and validation processes to their infrastructure configurations as they do to their application code. This practice not only enhances security, but also improves the reliability and scalability of cloud environments. A study by HashiCorp found that organizations using IAC were able to reduce configuration drift by 75%, thereby minimizing the risk of security misconfigurations. Continuous monitoring and logging are also essential components of a robust DevSecOps strategy. By continuously monitoring applications and infrastructure for security events and anomalies, organizations can detect and respond to threats in real time. Implementing comprehensive logging mechanisms enables organizations to maintain an audit trail of all activities, providing valuable insights for forensic analysis and compliance reporting. According to the 2021 Verizon Data Breach Investigations Report, organizations with robust logging and monitoring capabilities were able to detect and contain breaches 27% faster than those without such capabilities. Continuous monitoring and logging not only enhance security, but also support regulatory compliance and incident response efforts. The adoption of DevSecOps also necessitates a cultural shift within organizations. Security must be viewed as a shared responsibility, with all team members playing an active role in maintaining and improving the security posture. This cultural shift can be facilitated through continuous education and training, ensuring that all team members are aware of security best practices and emerging threats. Organizations should also foster an environment that encourages collaboration and open communication between development, operations, and security teams. A 2019 survey by Puppet found that organizations with a strong DevSecOps culture were able to deploy code changes 46 times more frequently and recover from incidents 96 times faster than their peers. By promoting a culture of security, organizations can enhance their resilience to cyber threats and improve their overall security posture. One practical example of DevSecOps in action is the implementation of security gates within the CICD pipeline. Security gates are automated checkpoints that enforce security policies and validate the security posture of code and infrastructure before they are deployed. These gates can include automated vulnerability scans, compliance checks, and policy enforcement mechanisms. By integrating security gates into the CI/CD pipeline, organizations can ensure that only secure and compliant code is deployed to production environments. This approach not only reduces the risk of security breaches, but also streamlines the development process by providing immediate feedback to developers. Furthermore, the integration of threat modeling into the development process is a critical practice in DevSecOps. Threat modeling involves identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities early in the development cycle and designing countermeasures to mitigate these risks. By incorporating threat modeling into the design phase, organizations can proactively address security concerns and build more resilient applications. According to a 2020 report by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, organizations that implemented threat modeling were able to reduce security vulnerabilities by up to 60%. This proactive approach not only enhances security, but also reduces the cost and complexity of remediation efforts. In addition to these technical practices, DevSecOps emphasizes the importance of security governance and compliance. Organizations must establish clear security policies and procedures, ensuring that all team members are aware of their roles and responsibilities. Regular security assessments and audits should be conducted to validate compliance with security policies and regulatory requirements. By implementing a robust security governance framework, organizations can ensure that security is consistently applied across all phases of the development lifecycle. A study by the Cloud Security Alliance found that organizations with strong security governance frameworks were able to reduce the risk of data breaches by 40%. In conclusion, DevSecOps represents a paradigm shift in the way organizations approach security in the cloud. By integrating security practices into the DevOps process, organizations can enhance their security posture, reduce vulnerabilities, and accelerate the delivery of secure software. The adoption of automated security testing, infrastructure as code, continuous monitoring, and logging, along with a strong security culture, are critical components of a successful DevSecOps strategy. By embracing these practices, organizations can not only mitigate the risk of security breaches, but also achieve greater agility and efficiency in their software development processes. The integration of security into every phase of the development lifecycle ensures that security is not an afterthought, but a fundamental component of the DevOps workflow, enabling organizations to deliver secure and resilient applications in a rapidly evolving threat landscape. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.